Hey, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, guys. Welcome everybody in the chat. Happy Monday. Happy new week, guys. Man, we have a whole new week, man. Whew. Sorry for being 6 minutes late. Sorry for being 6 minutes late. I had to get everything together. If I could show y'all everything that I have to put together, there's a lot of stuff. Hey, what's up, Deontay? Man, did y'all see this pump? Oh my goodness. Hold on, let me switch to my PA. Did y'all see this pump? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, man. That terrorist, man. Hey, Trump and China made a deal. So we came to a deal. So y'all see this pump. This is crazy. This last night pump is insane, y'all. Goodness. All right. I don't know. Look, it looks like to me, I'm gonna go on a daily. It looks like to me we're gonna continue to push. If we push this high from yesterday, we might consolidate. We might consolidate. So I'm gonna see about catching quick moves and maybe taking profits. But I think for the long term, like I said before, it's still long. Yeah, we're more than long. Goodness. So we had this big push last night. This can turn into consolidation real easily. So we're gonna see, guys. We're gonna see. We're just gonna wait for this market to open up. If we see any clear trades, I might take it. But for the most part, man, this is crazy. This is a big move. Wow, this is a big move. All right. Let's make sure I got everything set. Got the music. Y'all already know how we do it. Y'all already know how we do it. When we get on, we gotta spread that word. First things first. We gotta give it to God. Let me turn this up a little bit. First things first. Matthew chapter 19, verse 16. Someone came to Jesus with this question. Teacher, what good deed must I do to have eternal life? Why ask me about what is good? Jesus replied. There is only one who is good. But to answer your question, if you want to receive eternal life, keep the commandments. Which ones? The man asked. Jesus replied, you must not murder. You must not commit adultery. You must not steal. You must not testify falsely. Honor your father and your mother. Love your neighbor as yourself. Right? Easy commandments, right? That's what God commands us to do. Follow his commandments and you will receive eternal life, right? Also, Matthew 19, verse 20. The man says, I've obeyed all of these commandments. The young man replied, what else must I do? Jesus told him, if you want to be perfect, go and sell all your possessions and give the money to the poor, and you will have treasure in heaven. Then come, follow me. But when the young man heard this, he went away sad, for he had many possessions. Then Jesus said to his disciples, I'll tell you the truth. It is very hard for a rich person to enter the kingdom of heaven. I'll say it again. It is easier for a camel to go through the eye of a needle than for a rich person to enter the kingdom of God. Whew, that's tough, y'all. He tells us to follow his commandments, knowing that we're not perfect. So man trying to make himself perfect and following Christ is impossible. But it's only possible if you're following God. This is possible. Oh yeah, you missed the old videos? Hey, we're gonna get back to the videos. Just, on this channel, like I said, we stream trading and we spread the word. But if you want to see pranks and challenges, go to the K&A family video, the K&A family channel, and see those videos. All right, one more scripture, y'all. Verse 25, the disciples were astounded. Then who in the world can be saved? They asked. Jesus looked at them intently and said, humanly speaking, it is impossible, but with God, everything's possible. So everything you do, guys, through God is possible. So God wants us to put away our old selves, follow him, pick up our cross, follow him, and obey the commandments, and we will have eternal life, right? Blessed be to God. All right, let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. We got that word out. All right, also, let's see what else we have. Let's look at this market. Let's see if we can find any more zones. So look, I'm gonna go back to a daily. As you can see, everybody that's in here, we pushed higher. Last night we had the tariffs, right? So boom, that's one on the daily. We pushed higher, we broke this high. Now we're tapping into these zones right here. Now we're tapping into some more liquidity. Can we retrace sometime this week? Can we retrace and reject this block right here and come back down for the shorts? Can we? We're gonna see during this week. Maybe not today. You know what I'm saying? It's Monday. We barely even have any news. Trump came out last night with the tariffs that it's gonna be good. We all good. Everybody's good to go. For the most part, I think sometime this week we might have a retracement. But for the most part, we're long. The bias is still long. That's a weekly. We're on a weekly right now. Yeah, all right. So we're gonna drop down to a daily. Look at the daily. We're tapping into some boat plane. We're tapping into some liquidity right here, some blocks right here, okay? I think we're still gonna go long. So my bias today is to look for a long. Where can I get in long? So if we do short, I'm looking for a long. So look, we have a potential long right here at this 1 hour fair value gap. If we can come this low, I'm gonna look for a bounce within this fair value gap right here. What is this? I think we have a 15-minute right here too. Drop it down to a 4 hour. Don't really see much. Don't really see much at all. Nah. But on the 4 hour, we do have one above our heads. So we have a 4 hour above our heads right here. If we can continue to go long and tap into this 4 hour right here, I'm gonna hold my trade. If I can find a bounce somewhere in this area right here for a retracement for a long, I will take it. But I really believe that we're gonna go for these highs. That's the plan. So I'm gonna look for a retracement, get into these longs, and that's gonna be the bias for the day. Unless otherwise we have a big drop, a big break, and we just fall short. We're gonna see. But I don't really see any true zones because it looks like we broke through so much stuff, and we're gonna probably move sideways. It looks really range bound. Look on the 1 hour, we're moving sideways. If we continue to respect this area with these lines, see how I got these lines right here? These are just box points where I might see that we continue to respect, that we can continue to go long. If we break through these, then I'm gonna try to maybe catch a quick scalp short. But if we stay above these little lines right here that I have, these lines right here are let me show you. These lines right here are lower highs. Give me 1 sec. Dang, I gotta really go all the way over here. There we go. So see, look, these points are pretty much highs. So this is where I have it as like indicators that, hey, if we continue to respect these levels, I'm gonna bounce at these areas. So that's just a little confirmation. That's all. Let's see what we got. What else we got? Pretty much blocked. See, just points of liquidity. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see what's happening right here. Other than that, I don't really see nothing else. I mean, other than we have this block right here that we can respect. A lot of imbalance below, so I don't think we're gonna feel that today. It's only Monday. We don't even really got no news. This is my point right here. This is the point of interest that I'm thinking about getting into right here. I'm really interested in this area right here. You see this AOI right here? This is where I really want to get in long at. I really truly believe this point right here is where we're gonna get in. How much profit do you make a month? How much profit do I make a month? Honestly, it varies. I can't really give you a answer on that. Sometimes I have good $5,000 months, $10,000 months. It depends. It really depends on the month. Because this beginning of this year been kind of choppy. April was one of my worst months this year. But I've been doing pretty good this month. I'm doing good. I'm starting off pretty good. I can show you my let me show you my chart. So y'all can see. So on Sunday I took 11 trades, lost 55, 550. On the 6th, 950. On the 7th, 370. On the 8th, 12, almost 1300. On Friday, I lost 400. Now we're starting this week. So last week I made 1600. This week, what we're gonna see. So as you can see, this is what it looks like for this week. Okay. So we just starting off. We're pretty good. I mean, I would like to have caught this move right here from last night, but that's not happening. Oh, we did bounce off this move. So look right here. See how I put this block right here? We bounced off this what is this, a 1 hour? Let me see. Is this a 1 hour? 1 hour inverse fair value gap. So we bounced off that 1 hour inverse fair value gap. See what else we got. On a 5 minute, do we have any zones? Nah, we look really range bound. Yeah, I want to wait till market open. We got too many wicks. I'm gonna wait till market open. I think it's best that we wait till market open. Yeah, pocket 100. I'm sorry, I ain't even asking y'all. How are you doing today? Oh, Rain, I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. I'm doing pretty good. Like I said, y'all, we did have this big push high, so we're just gonna have to sit on hands because this looks really range bound to me. Look on the 1 hour, we're just moving sideways. We're thinning out. We haven't even decided if we're gonna go to short or the long, so we're gonna see. I wouldn't take no trades right now because we could just continue to like zigzag up and down. But we continue to hold this level right here. Look at this. If we could hold this box level right here, if we can hold this level, then I might take them longs. That's the plan. That is the plan. But man, let me know in the chat how y'all doing today, man. Cause it's Monday. I'm just ready, man. I'm ready for this week to like start getting kickstarting this week off. Like I said, I don't really look at the 15 minute. We're moving sideways. I don't really see any big moves. We haven't broke low yet. I mean, we came high, but we continued to came back. We came back down, so we just looking sideways. I'm not gonna really try to guess this market for y'all just yet. Until this market opens and we can get more information, then I can see about a trade. But for the most part, we got 12 more minutes until this market open. I don't really see no movement because look at all these wicks. We're indecisive right now. We're not even breaking any levels. I don't really see any strong demand zones I can probably mark real quick. I don't really see anything. But the more confirmation, the better. So we're just gonna wait and sit on hands until we get some more information. Yeah, it's sideways. If I was to get into a long right now, who knows if we're gonna chop up and down and shoot down and chop back up. If I was to get into a short, who to say that we continue to, if we could hold this level and go longer. So it's hard to say. But it looks like on the, let me see. It looks like on the 1 hour, we are respecting this area. On the 30 minute, see, we're respecting this area. It looks good, but I'm gonna wait till market opens to get more information before I take a trade. Let me look at ES real quick too. I got ES up and QQQ. Market opens up in almost 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes. Can we hold this zone? Can we hold this area of interest? Or will we bounce? Or will we come down and bounce off this area and then continue to go long? We already respected this 1 hour inverse fair value gap. On a 5 minute, we respect it. On a 15 minute, we respect that inverse fair value gap. We do have imbalance below, right? But we pumped high. I don't see that happening because remember, the trend is long. So why fight the trend? Unless we get the only way I would go short, if we broke this right here. If we broke this right here, you see, I'm going short. I'm gonna find some shorts in this. Somewhere, somehow, I'm gonna find a short. But if we continue to sit above this area right here and respect this block, I'm gonna go long. But if we come back for a retracement and respect this 5 minute block right here, then I'm gonna go long at this area. So we have two areas of interest. We have this area and we have this area for a long. It looks like the longs are coming in now. We're gonna see. We got 9 more minutes until market open. We're gonna see. I mean, it looks good going long, but hey, you don't want to take no risk, and then you get chopped up, and you're losing profit off for what? I'm looking at a 5,000 tick chart. All right, so we do it looks good. It looks good, but we just didn't get the break. That's the catch. Yeah. And we also rejected off this 15-minute right here. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. See 15-minute right here? Let me move it over just so y'all can see it. 15-minute supply zone that we respected and rejected off of. I gotta push this over because I don't know why did it do that. All right, boom. So look, we tapped into it 15 minutes. We tapped into it actually once already. Boom, we tapped into it. And then we came to it again 3 times. Now, look, we tapping into it again. So I'm thinking long. I think we're just gonna bounce off this area of interest right here, like I was showing y'all from these bounces. I mean, from these rejections, and then we're just gonna bounce and then go long. That's what I'm thinking. But if we do go short and gather some more information, I'm gonna try to take a jump right here, along right here. That's the plan. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so if you take my trades, it's at your own risk. I'm just letting you know. It is at your own risk. But for the most part, y'all, I'm gonna have to sit on hands because this is a choppy market right now. And we don't really have any big news today, so let me see, not that I know of anything huge. So it might be range bound today. We might have a range bound Monday, for real. Yeah, I don't see nothing really. Nothing that's like a red folder. That's like, yeah, this is definitely happening today. No FMOC today, nothing. No CPI. So we're gonna see. Market opens up in 7 more minutes, and then we're gonna take our trade. Press secretary holding inference at 8:30. I mean, I mean, so yeah, so we have a secretary holding a conference going on. So like, what do you expect to happen? Like, is it gonna explain rate hikes or rate hikes? And I mean, I don't know. I don't see it as an important news date. What do you think? Is that a big news event? Would it be like, would that consider high volatility, or is it just a conference? I'm not sure if it's like a big deal or not. All right, as y'all can see, man, we're respecting this 1 hour. I set these blocks right here, these little lines right here. These are where these are order blocks. So I like these zones. If we continue to respect this, I might see a long. But if we break through this, I'm gonna look for a retracement back in this area right here for a long. So we have 2 plays set out. One right here and one right here. Just make sure that I'm not missing anything. But I don't really see any demand zones. Anything that sticks out to me like, oh, take this. This is a demand zone. I'm gonna look at ES, see if I see anything. Let me know, Don. What you think? You think it's big news? Should it be something that I should be paying attention to? I mean, of course I'm gonna pay attention to it. It's market open. All right, we gotta get more confirmation. So look, let's go back to the daily. On the daily, we pushed long. The bias was long. Drop down to a 4 hour. While still keeping the bias long. We broke lower highs. We're still long. Down to a 1 hour. We couldn't break lower. We came back down, stayed above this area, and still look long. That looks bullish to me. Looking down to a 30-minute. We couldn't break lower. We're respecting this block on the 30-minute. So I'm still thinking long. On the 15-minute, respecting this block, respecting this demand zone, still looks long. Even though we're getting a rejection and we look like we're just moving sideways. On the 5-minute, couldn't get no breaks on the 5 minutes. Look. No, I'm gonna put it right here. There we go. No break on the 5 minutes. Still look long. So I'm still thinking long in this area. That's how I'm thinking. I looked at almost every time frame. I'm gonna look at a 5,000 tick chart. 5,000 transaction chart. No break, still looks long. 2,000 tick chart. No break, still looks long. 1,000. So we still look long. I'm just trying to figure out where to get in and buy the market at. That's the question. Where did we buy this market at? We never know. Just wanted to let you know. It's about Terra supposedly from Financial Juice. Oh, appreciate that. All right, for sure. All right. Let's see how this market gonna give out. We got 4 minutes until market open, and we're gonna take our trade. Thanks for the advice. Thanks for the update, Don. Thanks for that. The heads up. Thank you. Let's get it. Hold on a second, y'all. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. All right, we back. Sorry for leaving, y'all. Not cool. No problem. Hey, it's a teamwork. Hey, for sure. Teamwork for all of us traders, for sure. I love having teamwork. Oh, okay, let's look at this market again. I'm sorry. Let's get back to it. I'm gonna just brighten this a little bit. Get some light in here. Oh, get back. All right, position myself. All right, let's go. All right, let's see what we're looking like. I mean, we're sideways. Look at it, y'all. We're literally in this little pennant formation. If you understand what I'm talking about, a pennant formation. See? It looks very sideways, like we're squeezing out, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see. See? It looks like we're just squeezing out. Can we get the break long? I call this the Dorito. Nacho cheese. Alright. We're gonna see. I'm gonna get rid of it though. I don't need it. Market opens up in 30 seconds. We got 30 seconds till market opens. I'm gonna actually keep it. But it doesn't look like nothing. Yeah. Market opens in 30 seconds. Alright, I see a couple of zones. You know what? Let me map up some zones. I see a couple. If I don't get too much chop. We printed. Oh, here we go. Market open. Market's open. All right, let's see what we got, y'all. See what we got. All right, the shorts do like they're coming in, but I'm not gonna buy it. I'm gonna wait till this market starts moving around a little bit more. 5 minute fair value gap. Are we getting these shorts? Are we breaking? Wow. Looks like a break. I'm looking at a 4 hour rejection. Rejection. Look at a daily. Look at a weekly. I just want to refresh my mind on where we at. Tapping into some stops. Some liquidity right here. Boom, boom, boom. Look at a daily. Look at a 4 hour. All right. Wow, we just shot down. Wow, big drop. Wow. All right, let's get to it. Remember, follow our rules. We gotta follow our rules. That's all it's about, following our rules. Man, this red, man, wow. We just really disrespected that area. We shot off this 15-minute really nicely. All right, let's look at this area. Let's see what we got. See if we can find a retracement, a rejection somewhere in this. Wow. They was, yo, hey, they was ready to sell off, huh? Wasn't they? Jeez. Wow. They were ready to sell off. Let's see about this area right here. Breaking that. Wow, these, wow. Yo, can we find a bounce? Can we find a bounce? Look at ES real quick. See if I see any potential moves. That's crazy, yo. All right, let's see what we got. Are we bouncing? Come on, stop glitching on me. I just want to see a strong close. That's all. Look at a 1,000 tick chart. Let's go. Trying to get some more confirmation, that's all. If we can get these longs. I want to see if we can tap into this this fair value gap again. If we could tap into this fair value gap, that'd be nice. If these shorts continue to play out, that'd be nice. Let me see on the 5 minute. I'm gonna wait for this 5 minute to close. Once this 5 minute close, then I can really get some more confirmation, some more information on this. Just trying to get more information, y'all, before I get into a trade. Look at ES real quick. Ooh. Give me 1 second, give me 1 second. I'm just give me 1 second. I'm just playing with ES real quick. We are shooting down though. All right, let me get rid of this because this was nonsense. Did we break 5 minute? Nope, we didn't break. 9 minutes on that. Let's see what else we got. 30 minute. Wow, we're already coming down. I didn't even expect us to come down so fast this morning. That's crazy. Okay. Boom, boom. On a 5 minute, we didn't break this, but we definitely broke all of this. Can we respect this 1 hour inverse fair value gap on a 5 minute? That's the question. Can we respect it? And if we respect it, can we continue to go long? See if I can see any more confirmation on these time frames. Roller coaster drop. Definitely roller coaster drop. Anybody got in that? You're lucky. That's luck. There ain't no way you just knew that was gonna happen. You just gambled that. If you got caught that short, you gambled that. There's just no way. But hey, good job if you did though, for sure. Gotta be careful now. The bias is still long. Remember, we trying to look at where do we get long? Where do we buy it at? Because remember, this daily ain't just gonna shoot all the way down unless it wants to. If this daily goes all the way down, man, that's crazy. But it's the fact that they made a deal. I'm looking for a bounce. I want to see a bounce in my area right here. These zones. Let me see. I'm sorry, my bad. We ain't gonna get a bounce. I don't think. I might have to be careful. Oh, here it is. Can we get above this? If we can get above this point, if we can get above this right here, I'm gonna get long. I just don't want to chase price. That's all. We like price action, but we don't want to chase the price. That's all it is. Let's see what we got. So on the 5 minute, we didn't break. What else do we have? What am I missing? What am I missing? I'm trying to see what am I missing. If there's a perfect zone that I might be missing, that could be the best bounce ever. Let me get rid of. I'm gonna have to get rid of that AOI. I'm gonna keep it. Can we bounce? Can we bounce right here? Can we bounce? I might have to put a fixed profile on there for real to get some more confirmation. See what we got. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Get over there. Goodness. That's why you need more screens. Okay, I guess they don't want to show me that. Alright, whatever. Are we going to respect this area? That's the question. Are we going to respect this area? Because I really want to see us bounce. But if we're going to continue to go short, that's amazing. Can we respect? 5 minutes into this 15-minute prints. 5 minutes into the 15-minute prints. We have 50 seconds into this 5-minute prints. I'm still waiting. I don't want to take no chance and take a short just yet. And then we shoot up 100 points. We're gonna shoot up 100 points. It's over with. Can we bounce at this 1 hour fair value gap? This 1 hour internal inverse fair value gap. Can we? Let me see if we can continue to stay above this level right here. See, also, boom. No. What are you doing? Five minutes just printed. I need to see it. I want to see it keep above. I'm looking at a 30-second chart. Ooh, I'm not buying it just yet. Okay. Okay. Can we stay above? I'm gonna buy one long. I'm gonna put my stopper below this low right here. Come on, give us more confirmation to go long. Charger. I got my charger working on this phone. Alright, there we go. All right, let's see. Are we gonna respect this area or are we gonna shoot? Yeah, we're shooting down. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna respect my trade though, for sure. Look at a 1,000-tick chart. Come on, respect that area. Lurking in the chat. Why we're lurking in the chat? Yeah, these shorts are coming in. These shorts are coming in. I'm getting out of that. Wow. Goodness. Wow. That's aggressive. That was a fake out. Can we get this bounce? All right, next bounce, for real. I want to see a bounce right here. I want to see a bounce right here. This is the plan. 15-minute prints in 2 minutes, right? I might take a quick scalp short. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I might take this short. I'm taking this short. I'm gonna take this quick scalp short. Wait a minute. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna do something real quick. I want to see something. If it'll let me, cause Top Step's charts be acting weird. I want to see something real quick. Okay. Okay. Alright. Alright, bet. Alright. So I'm thinking right here, I think we're gonna get a bounce right here. I think the bounce gonna come in right here. I'm gonna just hold this trade for the short, and then I'm gonna take that scalp out. If it don't shoot up like 100 points, like, oh my goodness. But we did stay above on the 5-minute. Ooh. Yo, you bugging out. What in the world? Where's my my trailing stop? Where you at? There you are. What in the world? There we go. There we go. Mommy. Are we gonna retrace this? 15-minute and here we go. Ooh, we did that's funny. We didn't even pass that. That's crazy. That's crazy. Alright, we're gonna shoot back up. Here you go. Wow, amazing. We're gonna see if this is the long. We're gonna see if this is the long so I can get into the long. But I wanna see it come back down just a little bit more. Alright, I'm gonna get out of this for the loss. I think it's gonna stop me out. So we down $43. Alright, so look, it didn't want to bounce. It didn't want to tap into this area. I realized it didn't want, man, it's like it's not giving us good entries. This has been a W stream. Hey, I'm just trying to see where we can bounce at. So look, we have an area of interest also right here. At this half of this, 50% of this 4-hour IFG. But it's so funny that it didn't want to bounce at it. But also on the 15-minute, I can't tell if we closed above this or closed behind it. That's the catch. That's the catch about this whole thing. It will make it print so ugly that it wouldn't even look obvious that it did print past this. I didn't want to drop. Fake. Alright, so we gonna see. Wow, if I would have held that trade, it would have went through. That's why it's good to follow your trades. But on ES, we're respecting that zone. That's what's crazy. So I'm expecting a bounce somewhere. I'm gonna wait for more confirmation. Let me get rid of this stuff on ES real quick so I can really be sure to get into this trade. 13 minutes on the 1 hour. 13 minutes on the 1 hour. Interesting. Everybody wants that long. I know it. Go long. I know, but not yet. Cause this 15 minute can get some more liquidity. Come back down, bounce. You see what I'm saying? This 15 minute can come back down and bounce. That's what I'm thinking. I think it's gonna bounce off that block. But if it go long now, no. I'm not taking it. Not for real. The kingdom, not yet, bro. Not yet. It's sideways. Not yet. It's trying to gather more liquidity. I'm waiting for it to gather more information. If I can see a break. Come on, yo. Bro, come on. A little sensitive thing. Alright, let's see what we got. I don't like how we underneath the either too. What we got? Come on. Give us some more information. And it had to do that. Oh. I think this is it. Kingdom, I think this is it. Kingdom, I think this is it. If we don't get the reject, we got the reject. If we don't get the rejection, Kingdom, I think this is it. Nah, I'm not buying it. It's like it's nah. I need to see break. This might be it though. You ever traded Forex before, bro? Nah, never traded Forex. Actually, I have actually one time, and I just never did it after that. I actually have. Hold on. I don't think I should buy one yet. Nah. I just need more oh yeah, this might be it. This might be the confo. This might be the confirmation. I'm gonna add two. Keep my stop low. Everybody's about to add right now, and the thing about to shoot back down. This thing better not take off either. Nope. Nah. Nope, no break on the 30-second. Let me look at a 1 minute. Yeah, a little close. Ooh. Nah. I don't believe in it. I don't believe in the trade. You don't want to get that fear. Hey, it's best to always sit on hands. You don't want to get the fear of missing out, but you don't want to believe that that's the trade. It just don't look good. It's pumping, but it just don't look good. That's the catch. I don't like how it look. Yeah, see, I don't like how it look. Oh, thank you. I didn't get into this trade. Thank you. Shoot back down. Shoot it back down. Give me a better entry. Oh my goodness. Nah. Who you fooling? Come on. Give me a better entry. Then again. Hopefully this is not the only entry yet. Please don't be the last entry. Please don't be it. Come on. Pump fake. It's pump faking, bro. Man, you know they ready to fake it out. You know it. Look how they start thinning out. when they think everybody's about to get into this perfect trade. Look how they do it. You get a nice little break, nice little trend break, right? And then they're gonna just do some little thin out, thinking that it's gonna continue to pump, and then they're gonna. It always do it. Always do it. But if it takes off before me, then it is what it is. It is what it is if it takes off before me. Trump talking. Ooh, Trump talking. The man is speaking. Add more. Let me add more zones. Come on. Come back down. Come back down. Give me a better entry. Come on. Knew it wasn't good to go long right here. But then again, also, it's not breaking lower. Ooh, but hey, but we're not breaking higher. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't break. What the suck? Wow. Yep, that's a loss. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Beautiful. Beautiful trade. Also not breaking down. Beautiful trade. Nice trade. Whoever caught that, nice trade. Nice trade. Goodness. Man, you gotta love those fake outs. Let's see if we can get a retracement. If we can get a good retracement, if we get a 5-minute close, if we get a 5-minute close above this, oh my goodness. Dang, 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 dang. That was the bounce. And I missed my bounce. But look how ugly this is. You see what I'm saying? Look. We wanted to get along here, right? But the trade just didn't look good. Sometimes you can say you got it, like, for example, this can be a good area to get in, but you're just not getting confirmation that it looks like it wants to continue to do that. And that's what I'm missing out on. It's that confirmation, that good confirmation to say, hey, this is a good trade, get into it. Because this is like, this looking like more like volatility more than a good setup. That was a nice trade. Dang. Man. As soon as I realized it didn't want to break this right here. Oh, wait, where's it at? Right here. It didn't want to break that. It respected that so much. Oh, I should have known. But oh well. Good trade. Whoever caught that, good job. Wow. That's 40 points. That's 60, 70 points. Wow. And I don't like chasing either. I don't. That's a ugly. Look how, man, this trade is not cute at all. Look at this. 5-minute, no break. Rejection though. No, but that's not confirmation to me all the way. No break on a 3-minute. No pass on a 2-minute. I don't like all that. I don't like that. Yeah, that was a good trade. But then again, we still can get in. I just want to get in. I want to get in a good entry. That's all I want. I want a good entry. All I want is a good entry. And we got the ooh. All right, let's see if we can get a retracement and get a good entry. Let's see. Can we get a good entry at? Right here. All right, let's see what we got. Wow, these shorts came in fast, man. This is a vicious market. Remember, we're playing tariffs, so this stuff ain't no joke, man. Wow, look at that sell-off. You work so hard to get in long just for it to sell off like that. So hard, you work so hard, determined, just for it to sell off on you and blow you out. Some bull. All right, I like that. I like that close. I like that close above. Can we get a close? You know what? I'm adding right here. I'm gonna put my stop below this low right here for a loss 100. Unless it wants to, you know, reject off of some goofy, I don't know. Was it ready? It must wasn't ready to give up. We got 3 minutes until this 1 hour closes. Actually, I'm getting out this trade. I take my loss, -70. I want to see what this 1 hour do. That's three. All right, so we got 3 minutes until this 1 hour closes. I want to see what this 1 hour do. I want to see what the 1 hour look. Boom, 1 hour. I want to see what happens right here. Let me go over here and see. I want to see a 1 hour. The higher this time frame, the better. The better confirmation, right? We also got this point right here too. Put this right here, just in case we do get that bounce right there. Just in case it says, hey, I want to bounce. Go with some to see if we have any more points of entrance. Alright, let's see, what else we got? What else we got? Got a 5 minute, 4 hour. Let me get rid of this stuff. Let me get rid of all this nonsense. 2 minutes until this 1 hour closes. See if we can get a long. Hopefully it's not a short day. If this is a short day, I'm gonna be like, really? Come on. I mean, it could be a short day. I ain't gonna lie to you. This can be really a short day. This could be. Let me set up for a short. Let me make sure that if it is a short, if this is a short day, I'm gonna set up for it. I'm not gonna like, you know, mess up my bias and think that, oh, maybe it is not gonna come in, but we can see. But I wanna see what this 1 hour do right here. I wanna see if this 1 hour pass right here. This is what we do. 1 hour breaker structure. Oh no, that's stupid. What am I doing? 1 hour breaker structure. Are we getting a 1 hour breaker structure? That's the question. 50 seconds to this 1 hour prints. Get rid of this little trend line. That was goofy. It's too small. $20 seconds to 15 minutes. 30 seconds. 4 hour. What about 4? Oh, everything's gonna reset. Okay, reset everything. 4 hour too. This might be our play. This might be our play. Hey, this might be our play. This might be our play. Let me look at the other time frame. We're about to reset right now. This might be our play. Uh-oh. Let me look at it. Oh, shoot. I'm tripping. Did we get the breaker structure? No, we didn't. No, we didn't. It didn't even pass. We said about the 1 hour IFG. Okay, 15 minute. We are kind of underneath it though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Let's see what happens. Come on, sellers, dry up. Sellers, dry up. Come on, come on. Come on, sellers, dry up. Respect this area, please. Respect this area. If not, then we're gonna go shorter. That rejection was crazy. Come on. I think this is it. Alright, let's see. Respect this area right here. 5,000 tick chart. I'm just trying to look at everything so I don't be missing out on something. There it is. I'm gonna take a long right here and put my stop below the lows. Right here. Can we get the break? Can we get a break? We got a break. I'm gonna risk more. Come on, let's go. Can we go long? Target these highs. First TP gonna be up here. I want to see us touch that AOI. Let's go. Come on, respect that area. 10 seconds on this 1 minute. Respect, respect, respect. Please respect. Looks good. I'm looking at every time frame to see if we're respecting. Oh, I didn't like that candle, but okay, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, really? Respect it. Just watch it. Just watch it. Oh, oh, big rejection. Big rejection. Respect. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Oh, everybody wants this area. Everybody wants this area. Goodness. Come on. Respect. Oh, everybody was adding on that. I know it. Come on. Respect that area. Respect it. I don't like that. 5 minute. Come on. 3 minute. 2 minute. I'm adding more. All right, we in 20 contracts. I mean, we not 20 contracts. We in 20 micros and which is 2 minis. Shut down. Come on. Leaving the trade, risking 1,000. I'm late, but you shouldn't start you should start Bible study channel segment. I really like the for sure, for real. I'm gonna start doing that. I really like the beginning of this stream where we started off with the Lord. Praise to the Most High. Alexis, yes, for sure. Definitely got to do that more. I'm gonna just keep on doing it throughout the stream too. Also, definitely. Praise God. Praise God. That's all it's about. Come on, let's get this push higher. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna see what else, if we missing anything that's like, ugh. There we go. There we go. Yes, sir. All right, I'm gonna take off 16. Now we're down 4. And we up 6-4. And that sell off. I knew it. Let's go. Let's go. Up 645. Let's get it. Up 645. Let's go. Hey man, shout out to y'all, man. We doing it. We doing it. We just gonna hold this trade all the way through. All the way through. Can we get the push? Ooh, this market is trying to play people out of it. It's getting shaky. But hey, we continue to hold these levels. We good. We should be good. If we could hold these levels, we should have no problem. But I don't want to sit there because I'm not a financial advisor. But it's just my opinion, okay? For the most part, we're doing good. Ooh. But at the same time, respect. Come on, respect. 1,000 tick chart, transaction chart. Respect. I like that. Boom, boom, boom. Look, it's. Hey, here we go. Oh my goodness, this thing about to break even. I'm breaking even. I'm not even about to. This is a risk-free trade right now. Let's go. Come on. Push. Come on. You know you want to. Come on. Let's see what these highs at. See if we can get another thou wow. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna go for these highs. We doing good, y'all. Hey, for real. God bless. Alright, so we in a risk-free trade. That's how you do it. Let me take out 2 right here. I want to make sure I take out 2. A limit sell right here, and then the rest gonna be whatever, you know, like that. Just in case it want to drop again, you feel what I'm saying? Because it keep on bouncing and ping-ponging. Alright, let's get it. So look, back to the word. She likes the word. I love the word. Back to it, right? Let's get it. Once we finish the word, we're gonna look back at our trade. Alright, Matthew 19. Someone came to Jesus with a question. Give me a sec. Someone came to Jesus with this question, right? Teacher, what good deed must I do to have eternal life? Why ask me about what is good? Jesus replied. There's only one who is good. But to answer your question, if you want to receive eternal life, keep the commandments. Which ones? The man asked, and Jesus replied, you must not murder. You must not commit adultery. You must not steal. You must not testify falsely. Honor your mother and father. Love your neighbor as yourself. Okay? It's what God commands us to do, right? Real simple. Matthew 19, verse 20. I've obeyed all of these commandments, the young man replied. What else must I do? Jesus told him. If you want to be perfect, go and sell all your possessions and give the money to the poor, and you will have treasure in heaven. So he's telling him to sell all, if you want to be perfect, sell all of your belongings, pick up your cross and follow me, and you can have treasures in heaven. Then come follow me, right? But when the young man heard this, he went away sad, for he had many possessions. Then Jesus said to his disciples, I tell you the truth. It is very hard for a rich person to enter the kingdom of heaven. I'll say it again. It is easier for a camel to go through the eye of the needle than for a rich person to enter the kingdom of God. Right? Because what he's saying here is that a lot of people are rich, but a lot of people are not giving their life to God. They're not picking up their cross and giving their life to God. A lot of rich people are not giving their 9% of their wealth to people on the streets of need. God said, if you follow me, you're going to clothe me, you're going to feed me, you're going to give me shelter. When you're giving people on the streets shelter, when you're giving people on the streets food, when you're giving people on the streets money and resources, you're doing these things for Jesus. That's following Jesus, you know? That's loving your neighbor. The disciples were astounded. Then who in the world can be saved, they asked. Jesus looked at them intently and said, humanly speaking, it's impossible. But with God, everything is possible. Glory be to God. Glory be to God. And I got stopped out. Ew. Stopped out like that was criminal. Criminal. That's a criminal. Let's try one more. Come on, stop below these lows right here. See if we can get back into this trade. On the 15 minute. What trading platform is this? This is Top Step. This is Top Step. They really stopped me out. Man, I knew that was gonna happen. This is Top Step. I trade Apex and I trade Top Step. Apex and Top Step. Those are the two I have in the description. Why would you stop me out? Come on, man. Man, I swear, every time you get stopped out, it just so funny. All right, we're bouncing at this area of interest. So look, boom. We didn't get the close below on a 1 hour. Okay. We didn't break this candle and get a 3 pattern reversal. So that's a rejection. I like that. We respected this fair value gap, this 1 hour inverse fair value gap with this little block right here, right? Look how we respected it. Boom. Perfect bounce off of it. On a 30 minute, on a 15 minute, we didn't get the break on a 15 minute. That's a fake out. I like that. On a 5 minute, we continue to respect each other's block. Look at that. We're constantly building up. That's respect. I like that. Also on a 3 minute, getting a build up with the wicks. More confirmation. On a 2 minute, build up, build up, build up. I like that. More confirmation. And boom. Pretty simple, right? Yo, Chris, my man been a fan since like 2015. Hey, it's good. Hey, appreciate the love, appreciate the support. That's what's up. 2015? Oh my goodness. I've been doing YouTube since 2015. I mean, I'm old. Oh, dang. Dang, I've been doing 20 on YouTube that long? Yeah. But that's what's up, man. I appreciate that. I appreciate the love and support though, for sure. All right, we're pushing higher though. Nice little push up. Nice little entry too. I didn't want to add too much and lose too much. We're just gonna let this one run. Yeah, hello. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Ew, I look crazy.
Really?
Hi, chat.
That's a chat. Say hi to my wife, y'all.
I might go work out.
Okay.
While you work this money out. What we up? We up today?
Oh yeah, we caught the trade. We caught the duck. Hey, DEN, get up out of here, man. We don't need all that. Look.
What?
You
Your
get up.
voice, man.
No, I'm talking about.
Oh, W?
Yeah, no.
What?
Yeah, wait, his
What
name.
did W mean?
The D, his name.
D. Oh!
Yeah, yeah. Get up out of here, bro.
You know they got people with first names like that, right?
I know, but it just
Dixon.
eating.
Oh.
All right, go ahead and go work out, okay?
All right. Oh, you want to play?
Oh yeah, it's only 2 mic. It stopped me out, but
You going for the longs?
yeah.
Ooh.
But look, but you can see. Look at the retracement, though. Look at that bounce. Perfect bounce.
Did Donnie make the
You you want to see how much
you
want to see how much he made the market go crazy?
Dang,
Yeah.
Donnie?
Yeah, right.
What, he did terrorists again?
He said, China, they came with a deal. They came to a deal, yeah.
Oh.
Now the market's about to pump.
So since they made a deal, so it should regulate now after all of this, right?
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, we found the bounce. Look at that. We get a respect, bounce right here on a 1 hour. No breaker structure on a 1 hour. That was, I should put a question mark.
That's it, flavor. I'm out of here.
Get up out of here, bro.
I'm about to work out today.
Get out of here, DEN. No, get out of here, DEN. Bro, we don't need that, bro. No, that's not your name, bro. That's not your name, bro. Chill out. Chill out, man. Get up out of here, man. Hey. Bro, it's hard holding composure with y'all. Y'all funny, man. So funny. Hey, if it's your name, I'm sorry, but the EN part is crazy work. It's crazy work. All right, we push it higher. Why you gotta drop like 10 points in like literally a second? Come on. Why you do that? Like, why? Come on. Let's respect this area right here. All right, let's get back to it, y'all. We're doing good. We're doing good. If you're in this trade, you're doing great. Also, oh yeah, I forgot. I gotta be pushing my code. What am I doing? Like, duh. Hey, 80% off. Go use that code, that guy. That code. I mean, man, let me make this bigger. What am I doing? Hold up. I'm supposed to be eating this up before the 20th. Hey, use that code, that guy. Alright? That code. 80% off. 80% off. 80% off. Apex Trader Funding. Use that code, that guy. Hold up, I gotta do this better. I'm gonna start getting better with it. Wow, 80% off. Apex Trader Funding. Use that code, that guy. It's right here below. It's in the link. But Top Step don't do it. Look, I have two of them in the link. I mean in the description. Top Step and Apex. Remember this. Apex only has the promo codes. Top Step don't. So you're gonna pay 50 to 100 and 150 out the gate. Apex, you're only paying like $20, $30. So be thankful for that. Alright. Let's go. Get that account, man. Let's go. Let's go. Flavor, man. You funny. Let's get back to the trade. We doing good. We doing good. We doing good. We just had to get that information. Trade some Popeyes futures. Let's see if we got Popeyes. Let's try. Let's see. Popeyes. Popeyes. Nah, we don't got Popeyes. PE. Let me see PE. Nah, they don't even got Popeyes, bro. I don't see Popeyes on here. Can we get the break? Let's go. Let's pump. Let's pump. Popeyes. Popeyes. Funny, man. Man, y'all so funny. Ooh, 15 minute just printed. 15 minute just printed. What about the 30 minute? We still can pump. See if we can get some extra pushes. If not, then actually we probably gonna pump. Let me see if I can find some entry. Let me see if I can find a better entry. I mean, not find a better entry. Let me see if I can scale in. I'm sorry. Let me see if I can scale in. Can I scale in this trade? Please don't drop on me like forever, please. Be nice. Alright, I guess we scaling in. Let's see. Let me put my stop at break even. Make this a risk-free trade. Make this a risk-free trade. 3 minute. I'm trying to see if we can respect this. Ooh. Ooh, why you gotta be so mean? Why you gotta be so mean? Why you gotta be so mean? Just respect it. No! Why you do that? Why does it do this? Every time. Why you do this to me every time? This market is not trying to give it up. Alright, let's see if we can find more liquidity. Let's see. Let's see. Can we respect this area? Boom. I'm just trying to see if I can get in more contracts. That's all. Wow. Come on. No break. I like that. Ooh, that was nasty. He's just as soon as the candle print, pow, go down. Oh, don't go down. I was just playing. I was just joking. Man, this market is not nice at all. I swear, sometimes when you put these levels, you gotta know how to get in and get out. Yeah, just go ahead. Just stop me out. No, you want to. No, you want to. Go ahead. Now, if you can't pop off this wick right here, I'm gonna be highly upset. Come on now. Come on now. Respect that, please. Respect that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't push. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Like I said, we could be moving sideways. We could be moving sideways. Just because we got this big move, we could be moving sideways. Wait a minute. I forgot. Give me 1 sec. Let me check this out real quick. Would this be considered a IFG? Nah, we didn't get the break. Yeah, but we are grinding higher slowly though. No, I don't see it. Give me a second, y'all. Oh, hey. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that. That was an accident. Can we respect this area? Let's see. Can we please respect this area? Come on. What are you trying to do? Sell off? I think we're getting sideways, y'all. I think this is where the sidewaysness start happening. Right here. Might have to take my profits and get off if I start over trading. Let's see what we got. Can we pump? Now you want to pump? Come on, bro. What is this? All right, you know what? Let me switch to account. So look, we did good on our PA. I want to go ahead and switch to my other account. But yeah, I had a lot of accounts until I blew them. But yeah, they had to refresh them. All right, so now we on our other PA. We up 16 on this one. I mean, on our other combine, 50K combine. We did good on our PA. I'm not locking out yet, so just in case I see a good move later on. Also, combine. Let's get it. Yeah, this is sideways. This looks very sideways. I'm just not liking it. I'm not liking the price action. I'm not liking the break. I'm not liking it. It looks like we can just chop up and down, unless we get up. Don't get me wrong. The candles look great. It just, I don't want to ping pong in this area the whole time. That's gonna irritate me. You know what? I might catch a long. I'm gonna gauge the market with a long. Okay, no, we got 30 seconds, 40 seconds. 30 seconds, 40 seconds. So we got. Yeah. This is what we're gonna continue to do. 15 seconds until this 5-minute closes. 5 minutes into this 30-minute. Goodness, man, these time frames are not giving it up. Come on, respect this area. Come on, respect this area. Come on. Not liking this. Let me get rid of that. Why I had that right? Oh no, I need that. Heck no. There we go. Did I get rid of my Should I get rid of my, hold on. Yeah, I need to get rid of this. What am I doing? Alright, there we go. Please, can we respect this area? Please don't break this area. Please. What do y'all think? Y'all think we're gonna go long? You think we're gonna continue to go short? Maybe move sideways? What do y'all think? This? Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. What do you think? We're going up, this way, or that way? What y'all think? Let me know in the chat. I see 12 y'all in here. Let me know. Yeah, looks like we're getting that break. What we gonna see? You know what? Let me get rid of this because that's invalid. That can be really invalid for real. Let me see about readjusting this. Yeah, we're breaking that, but that don't mean nothing. That can just be that can be short time frame support. That don't mean nothing. I don't see no rejection. I don't see what we could reject that. Wow. Was it rejection off of this right here? Off this block? Was it off that block? Really? Man, that tipped it. Just tipped that. A lot of sideways. I'm surprised we caught that even that move. That was tough, honestly. Are these shorts coming in? You know what's crazy? We going short. We didn't even get the break. We didn't even get a full break. That's what's crazy. I think I want to go for this level right here. I might go for a short right here. For this level. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's right here, y'all, for sure. Well, not for sure, but for opinion. I really believe we might tap into this and bounce. Hit this liquidity and bounce. All right, let's see. Can we bounce into that? Dang, it's not even giving a chance. Wow. It's not even giving us a chance to get into this trade. Oh my goodness. Quick scalp right here. Really? Retracement that much? Wow, really? Get out of here. No way you retrace that fast. As soon as I add it, it tapped back up so fast. Scale out now, 236. Scale back in if it does bounce back down. Boom. Adding more. I'm gonna add more right here. All right, we 392 on that play. That's a scalp play. About to say it, bro. Like come on, bro. There we go. All right, so up 392 on that play. That's a scalp. Without using no true zones, we just scalping based off price action. All right, let's see what else we got. We tapped into it already off this. Boom. Man, this market is not cute, man. This market is not it. So serious. Wow. There's no way this shorts was coming in like this. Unless Trump is saying something. Oh my goodness, this shorts is crazy. All right, let's go back to our zone. Let's see what we have. Any bounces? Let's see. Are we bouncing at anything? Let's see. Let me add this marker right here, just in case that these loans do come to play out. Hopefully this is not a short day. I really hope not. Some crazy short day. All right, give me 1 second. I'm just trying to yo, let's go. Let's go. Let me know in the chat if my camera goes off. Let me know in the chat if my camera goes off. Let me know. Let me know. Oh, let me disable this. Let me disable this. Let me disable this. Let me disable this real quick. Come on.